Fiverr is a marketplace that links freelancers and clients seeking a wide range of services. Fiverr provides a platform for people to monetize their abilities and earn money online. However, can you actually become a millionaire on Fiverr? The answer is yes, but it requires an immense amount of effort and devotion. In this video, we will walk you through the steps required to turn your Fiverr gig into a million-dollar business. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is one of the world's largest online markets for freelancing services. Its core feature is a database of sellers who offer services in a variety of fields, including graphic design, digital marketing, business, writing, translation, video, software development, and leisure. These categories are further broken into more than 200 subcategories. Fiverr is a popular site that is listed in the top 500 worldwide. It is publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol FVRR. Fiverr allows aspiring sellers and side hustlers to join for free. Additionally, Fiverr divides freelancers into seller levels and badges. A gig is an acronym given to a service sold on Fiverr's marketplace. As you establish your profile on the platform and collect reviews, you may be qualified to join Fiverr Pro and Fiverr Enterprise. Fiverr Pro is a list of proven and reviewed freelancers handpicked by Fiverr staff. Only 1% of applicants get professional status. Pros excel in their industries, bringing years of professional experience dealing with clients, outstanding interpersonal skills, and strong project management abilities. On the other hand, Fiverr Enterprise offers high-quality freelancers for small business assignments. It's a B2B solution that aims to expand a company's team. Customers may quickly track project status, approve transactions, and set budgets using a single dashboard. A personal business success manager works with customers until the project is completed. So let's take a look at some of the effective methods to boost your revenue with Fiverr. Choose the ideal niche. The first step towards becoming a millionaire on Fiverr is to select the appropriate niche. You must identify a service with great demand and low competition. This will improve your chances of ranking higher in search results and attracting more clients. As an example, if you are a graphic designer, you could decide to focus on making logos or book covers. These are high-demand services, yet few people offer them through Fiverr. Create a professional profile. Once you've determined your field of expertise, you'll need to set up a professional profile that highlights your abilities and experience. This is your opportunity to make an excellent first impression on prospective clients. Make sure your profile is excellently written, with a concise and straightforward description of your services. You should also provide a portfolio of your work and any relevant certifications or qualifications. Of course, this procedure could make your client feel that you are the perfect candidate to perform a high-quality outcome for them. Optimize your gigs. The following step is to optimize your gigs. This includes making your gigs easy to locate and recognize. Use keyword-rich titles and ensure that your gig descriptions are clear and brief. You should also add high-quality photographs and videos to highlight your efforts. This will help your gigs appear higher in search results and appeal to new clients. This will help you establish an excellent standing, resulting in more clients and more earnings. Upsell and cross-sell. One of the most successful strategies to boost your Fiverr profits is to upsell and cross-sell your services. For example, if you provide logo design services, you can add a business card or website design as an upsell. This will increase your earnings per client while also diversifying your income streams. Invest in marketing. The final step towards becoming a millionaire on Fiverr is to make investments in marketing. This includes promoting your services on social media, placing advertisements, and creating a website to display your work. The more people learn about your services, the more clients you're going to attract. Investing in marketing is a vital step toward expanding your business and accessing a larger audience. Fiverr's business and revenue strategy has established it as a major player in the gig economy. The platform produces huge sums of money via seller commissions, buyer service costs, and Fiverr Pro services. Fiverr maintains its competitiveness and business model by employing marketing methods, expanding into new market areas, and overcoming obstacles. Looking ahead, Fiverr has strong growth prospects as it adjusts to modifications in the gig economy landscape. Without a doubt, many people desire to be millionaires. While there is no one-size-fits-all solution to this question, there are several crucial steps you can take to improve your chances of success. One such great alternative is getting started selling services through Fiverr. In conclusion, being a millionaire on Fiverr is achievable, but it requires an excessive amount of hard work and devotion. Following the techniques given in this video will boost your chances for achievement and help you turn your Fiverr work into a million-dollar business. Remember to select the appropriate niche, make a professional profile, optimize your gigs, establish a positive reputation, upsell and cross-sell your services, and make appropriate investments in marketing. That is the conclusion of this video. So, what are your thoughts about today's video? Don't forget to leave them all in the comment section below. Let's meet again with another interesting video.